Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review the Crucial NVMe 2TB. Before I do the unboxing, I would like to give a little bit of information about the NVMe, what they are, and some specification of this product itself. So NVMe basically stands for Non-Volatile Memory Express. It's a kind of special protocol or set of rules basically designed for SSDs. They can communicate to a computer. NVMe takes advantage of PCIe lanes basically for ultra low latency and very high bandwidth. This particular product is actually M2 2280, as you can see is written in here. So M2 means the slim and stick shaped SSD connector type. Yeah, that's basically the connector type. 2280 is the size of SSDs. 22 means 22 millimeter and 80 means 80 millimeter long. So basically 22 and 80. Other than that, what we can see from the box is the speed, which you can see in here written. So we have got basically as you can see in here, 7,100 megabyte per second and 6,000 megabyte for write. So 7,100 for read and 6,000 basically for write. It's a PCIe generation of 4 or Gen 4 SSD. We also have some more information about it. So basically the QLC NAND or the NAND flash. NAND flash is a kind of memory type inside the SSDs. QLC means quad level cell. So basically it stores 4 bits per cell. That's the structure of it. So the pros are higher capacity. The cons of that one is actually lower endurance. Can be written fewer times compared to HDDs, for example. There are some other types as well, like the TLC, for example, the triple level cell, and so on. More than that, what we have got in here is basically looking at the box. So we went through all these things in here. So that's the model. Yeah. And you have got basically 5 years of limited warranty as well. Other than that, basically some more things about the NVMe's. You usually need a kind of heatsink, a small kind of metal cooler which you attach to the SSDs or the NVMe's to keep them away from the overheating, because these things can get pretty warm. And overheating can actually lower the performance of these because there is the thermal throttling into this. Yeah, that means when the temperature goes up to a certain level, the throttling actually kicks in and basically the performance go down to lower the temperature. That means when the temperature go up, the throttling kicks in order to lower the performance and accordingly lower the temperature. Good. Enough talking, let's open this thing up. So the box basically can be opened from here. This is the information out of it, and this is the NVMe. There are some more papers in here. There we go. Good. So this is the product information basically in a couple of different languages. So it's explaining basically the warranty of the product. Get started. So step-by-step install guide to download free cloning and optimization software. So data transfer software, installation guide, optimization of firmware. Interesting. So that's one thing. Save up to 80%. Exclusive offer. So fine. Basically that's pretty much it. As simple as that. Really small package, I would say. And yeah, this is where the magic happens. Hope you liked it. And let me know if you have any questions in general about the NVMe's or anything about those. I'm happy to answer. And don't forget to subscribe. I always have new videos coming up on daily basis. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.